In the realm of scientific discovery, there exists a tool that unveils hidden worlds, a marvel of optics and engineering known as the microscope. Delving into the heart of its operation reveals a mesmerizing dance of light and lenses, where the infinitesimal becomes visible to our eyes. At the core of this optical wonder is the principle of magnification, a process that transforms minuscule specimens into intricate landscapes of detail. It all begins with the objective lens, a precisely crafted glass masterpiece. As light passes through, it bends, converging onto the specimen, rendering it larger than life. This bending of light, or refraction, occurs due to the differences in optical density between the glass and the surrounding air, a phenomenon described by Snell's law. But the journey doesn't end there. The real magic lies in the eyepiece. This second lens further magnifies the image formed by the objective, creating a virtual image that seems to hover in space before our eyes. The interplay between these lenses results in the total magnification of the microscope, a product of their individual powers. To truly grasp the intricate details, microscopes often employ multiple objective lenses with varying magnification levels. This allows scientists to seamlessly transition from a wide view of the specimen's landscape to a close-up exploration of its tiniest features. Yet, the microscope's mastery doesn't stop at magnification alone. Illumination plays a pivotal role in revealing the hidden wonders of the microcosm. Most microscopes utilize an intense light source, often an ultra-bright bulb, to cast light upon the specimen. But the key is not just in the light's intensity, it's also in its direction. The illumination must be precisely controlled, typically through the use of condenser lenses and diaphragms, to enhance contrast and bring out fine details. Further advancements in microscopy have given rise to techniques like phase contrast, fluorescence, and electron microscopy. These methods extend our reach into the microscopic realm, revealing not only the structure, but also the behavior of minuscule entities. The microscope is a scientific marvel that transcends the limits of human vision. Through the manipulation of light and lenses, it allows us to journey into the realm of the incredibly small, unlocking mysteries and unveiling the hidden beauty of the microcosmos.